अंकित, मैं एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू समथिंग, लाइक ऑनेस्टली आंसर देना. हाउ मच मनी डू यू मेक पर मंथ थ्रू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग? ऑनेस्ट आंसर.
ऑनेस्ट बताऊं तो जैसे कभी ज्यादा हो जाएगा, कभी कम हो जाएगा, पर अगर एवरेज में कैलकुलेट करें तो 1 से लेकर 1.5 लाख का प्रॉफिट बच जाता है जेब में.
So per month.
पर मंथ. यस.
डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट वन पर्टिकुलर स्किल. अगर सोच रहे हो कि एक चीज सीख ली एंड मनी स्टार्ट्स फ्लोइंग इन, देन यू आर कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. यू हैव टू बी जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स. स्टेप बाय स्टेप सीखो, इम्प्लीमेंट करो, एंड देन यू विल स्टार्ट अर्निंग डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज आयुष. आई रन a video editing agency called as KFX Digital, and in today's video I'll show you a clear roadmap on how you can get started in digital marketing. Each step would be a process that you must follow, so you can't directly jump into the next step. Also, at every step I'll share with you the best free course that is available in the internet. You'll also get certificates in some of the courses, so watch this video till the end. After this video, I'm sure that you'll have a clear goal and clear idea on what things you should learn first, because digital marketing is not just about one skill, and especially in 2025 the growth of digital marketing is growing exponentially. So if you are a student who want to make some money, or if you already have a job and you are not satisfied with it, or you want to change your career, then digital marketing might be the best option for you. Step 1 is to learn what marketing really is. सबसे पहले you have to learn what is actually marketing. Why do people buy things? What makes an ad so successful? And how do these brands influence people to buy their item? You have to make the base of your digital marketing so strong that you understand the psychology of people. For learning marketing, the best free course that is available is by Google. It's called Fundamentals of Digital Marketing by Google's Digital Garage. It's a free course. You get a certificate, and with this course you'll understand about what is marketing, what is digital marketing, why you need digital marketing. The second step would be to learn about SEO and AI powered content. Marketing to समझ में आ गया, but it's more about how to reach to people, right? You have to understand how websites rank on Google, how to use AI tools like ChatGPT for better ad creation and especially automation as well. ये सब सीखने के लिए the best free course available is by Semrush Academy. It is called SEO Fundamentals, and this course was honestly a game changer. You'll learn about backlinks, you'll learn about how a website is ranked at the top of the Google while others fail to do so. You'll also learn about Google algorithms and keyword strategy. The best free AI tool for marketing is actually ChatGPT. We have Jasper AI, and we have WriteSonic for the copy and content creation. If you want a full SEO masterclass, if this video gets 5,000 likes, then I'll drop a free SEO masterclass for you guys. It would be around 2 hours of content, and super packed with all the stuffs related to SEO. So yeah, drop a comment and hit that like button. Now step 3 would be to master video editing for marketing. See, the trend has changed. अभी Insta Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok से जितने views आते हैं, I don't think any other platforms is getting that much of views. Although TikTok India में banned है, but mainly talking about Insta Reels and YouTube Shorts. In this step, you have to learn how to create an amazing hook so that people will stop scrolling and watch your reels. You'll have to learn how to add captions, sound effects, how to make your video engaging. It's more about learning what is trending rather than just focusing on learning the tools. So I can't recommend you an actual course for this, because if you want to learn CapCut, there would be a different tutorial. If you want to learn DaVinci Resolve, there would be a different tutorial. There are multiple tutorials already on the softwares. You can find it all over the YouTube. But if you are a beginner and you don't have much idea about video editing, if you use your phone, and if you don't have a powerful PC, then I always recommend you to get started with CapCut. But if you have a high budget, or if you have a high-end PC, and if you want to continue video editing as a journey, I always recommend people to start with DaVinci Resolve. Premiere Pro is good, but it has a subscription cost, and you can always find a crack for it. But still, I think it's better to learn DaVinci Resolve since you don't need animations, and I think DaVinci Resolve would suit most of your needs. I particularly didn't enroll into any courses to learn video editing. I did all of it myself. It took me a lot of time, to understand what works and what does not work. I think it's more about the approach, about the video editor, about the storytelling approach. You can always DM me in the Instagram or leave down in the comment. I will always help you out, so feel free to do that. Now, the fourth step would be to learn Canva for posters and ad creatives. Canva is a free tool and it is very much beginner friendly. Canva is the best option because it is used by a beginner and as well as professionals. Why? Because it has all these templates. So if you ever want to design a poster and you are not that creative minded person, I'm not a creative minded guy as well, I'm not a graphics designer as well, but it gives me a rough idea on how other ad posters are looking, so I can always design based on that. Yeah, you'll always get new ideas. You don't have to start from scratch. There are multiple elements that you can always, just drag and drop into your posters, and boom, you will have a poster ready in a few minutes. I think that's the best tip you would ever get. Learn to use Canva to create Instagram posters, Facebook creatives, and even high quality thumbnails. The main thing is not about tools, but how you create a professional looking brand design. If you ever want to learn it, the best free course that is available on the internet is by Canva Design School. Step 5 would be to run your first ad. Problem kya hai? We listen to these roadmaps, we try to implement all of these things, we go to courses, we watch the courses, but we don't implement it. You have to learn how to run ads. And there is no best way to learn how to run ads by actually doing it rather than watching a course. What you can do is you have to invest 200 to 300 rupees for this. Instead of buying a course, you put that money into the meta ad, go to a local shop, you pick an item that is somewhat interesting, and if you feel like it can be sold online, then run an ad campaign for it and see if your ads run successful. It's all about hit and trial. That way you will understand the market. You'll realize कौन सी ads चलती है, कौन सी ads नहीं चलती, कौन सी ads की conversion rate high है. I think this would teach you more than any course. If you want to learn the Meta ad tool, then you always have a course by Meta itself. It's called Meta Blueprint. It is a Facebook ads certification course, and it is absolutely free. So if you want to check it, you can always do it. I'll also leave all the courses in the description, so do check it out. The last step and the most important step, it is to get clients and make real money. If you follow till step 5, you'll have enough skills so that you can pitch to the local shop owners. But it's more difficult to find a client, Upwork, Fiverr बहुत ही ज़्यादा saturated हो चुके हैं. So I think it's not worth trying there, but I think offline market has a huge potential. So I think it's more about pitching clients by going to their shops, try telling them what are the benefits they'll get. And I think one of them will surely agree, even if you don't have any portfolios. I didn't find any courses that included all these steps, all these, skills at one place. So I have linked each specific, courses for specific skills. But if you ever want to have an all-in-one course, then you can always like this video. And अगर ये वीडियो में 5000 likes आ गए तो I'll also think about it, creating an all-in-one course where people who are interested in digital marketing can learn digital marketing at one place. Comment करके बताओ what will be your first step. Would you learn video editing, SEO, or ad creatives? So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.